Welcome to Locate Management, an education, training, and assessment service provider for damage prevention, ground disturbance, and line locating communities. Locate Management is pleased to announce our locating and marking course. The accurate locating and marking of buried facilities is a critical part of any ground disturbance and the prevention of damages to underground infrastructure. Individuals who complete this course should be able to describe the quality levels of subsurface utility engineering and how they pertain to locating and ground disturbance. List the questions to ask during the locating and marking phases of a ground disturbance and identify locate marks. Explain field delineation guidelines for operators' facilities. Summarize various locating methods and recognize locating obstacles and tracing problems that can affect the accuracy of locates. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and to learn more about locating, marking, and other ground disturbance best practices, visit us at locatemanagement.com.